I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In today's we'll try to do the epic comparison between all of these four smartphones which I'm having right now, friends, in terms of the touch sampling rate comparison. So yes friends, a lot of users they did ask me this kind of question: how is the touch sampling rate in the MI Linux device, how is the touch sampling rate in the iQOO 7 smartphone and Oneplus 9R. So that of making another comparison side by side, so you actually know what is the difference between all of these smartphones. So I included the Realme X7 Pro as well right now, and very soon I'll be getting the Realme X7 Max once it's get launched in Flipkart. So stay tuned by subscribing, friends, and also make sure to support me as well. So I'll try to use the two applications right now to test the touch sampling rate between all of these four smartphones right now which I'm having. So Realme X7 Pro, and it is a MI Linux device as you can see, friends, and it is a iQOO 7 smartphone, and finally it is a Oneplus 9R. So let's see which phone has the highest touch sampling rate actually. So not from the websites what they are claiming. So right now I'll try to use this application to test it, but before that let me try to show you the actual facts which phone has what type of touch sampling rate. So right now in the Realme X7 Pro you do have the 240 Hz touch sampling rate right now as you can see, friends. So 120 Hz is a refresh rate, but 240 Hz is a touch sampling rate. So that is what I'll be testing right now in this video, and it is a MI Linux mobile phone which has a 360 Hz touch sampling rate which the MI is claiming, as you can clearly see, friends. So these are from the official websites. I'm trying to take the data, and is a iQOO 7 device which has a 300 Hz touch sampling rate and 1000 Hz instant touch sampling rate. So let's test which is the correct 300 Hz or 1000 Hz in this iQOO 7 device. And finally it is a Oneplus 9R which has got the 240 Hz touch sampling rate from the official Oneplus, as you can see the details. So let's see, friends, which phone will be having the better touch sampling rate by using this application first. So I'll try to use the two different applications during this time of demonstration. But first, before that, let me try to show you quickly. I'm trying to use the 120 Hz refresh rate in all the smartphones. So let me try to quickly open the displays of all the phones so you know exactly. I'm trying to use only the 120 Hz refresh rate. So I just thought of showing you all the details clearly before continuing with the test, so you should not have any kind of other doubts. As you can see, friends, right now I'm trying to use 120 Hz, 120 Hz and 120 Hz. So everything is set to the 120 Hz and maximum. Let me try to open the test which is called the touch multi-touch, as you can see, test multi-touch. So first I'll try to do in the Realme X7 Pro, so which will be testing the touch sampling rate per second. As you can see, friends, when you touch the screen it will try to measure the how much it's detecting. So right now you can see, friends, you can see about 230 and 240. It's 230 it's coming, but not much. As you can see, 230, it's kind of close to 240 Hz what the company is claiming. That's good thing. So anything close to the what the company is claiming, that's really good thing, friends. So no issues in the Realme X7 Pro. You're getting absolutely correct. As you can see, friends, touch sampling rate with 5 fingers, 4 fingers, 3 fingers, 2 fingers and 1 finger, as you can see. So now let's move to the next phone, which is the MI Linux device. So what the company claiming is that 360 Hz touch sampling rate. Is it possible or not? So let's see. I'm using the same application right now. So it's detecting up to 460, 450, as you can clearly see, friends. So I did see up to 460 touch sampling rate here. I'm not sure how much accurate this application is, but a lot of other users did suggest me to use this application only for the testing. So that's what I'm trying to use right now. As you can see, friends, I'm getting about 460 and 470 as well. So right now, as you can see, 5 fingers I'm trying to use. So 5 fingers, 400 above it's coming sometimes. 4 fingers, 3 fingers. So 460 Hz it's coming, friends, in this MI Linux device. That's a really shocking thing. So as I said, if we trust this application, then definitely, friends. So let me try to do in the iQOO 7 device. So it's the iQOO 7 smartphone which I'm trying to use, and all of the phones they do have the screen guard on the display, and it is a touch sampling rate on this iQOO 7 device. So I'm not getting more than that. I'm not sure why. I'm getting only 230, 237, as you can see, friends, clearly. So not more than 240. That's so weird, because company they did claim the 300 Hz and the 1000 Hz. So make sure to check this multi-touch in your mobile phone in case if you're having the iQOO 7 device. So make sure to check this application, friends, touch multi-touch in your phone, and comment below in case if you're getting any score difference than my phone. So because recently I was experiencing really bad experience with this iQOO 7 phone, so many problems in my unit. So make sure to comment below. That's why I'm asking you guys to comment below what multi-touch you're getting. But right now I'm getting only below 240 in this iQOO 7 device at this point. So now let's test the Oneplus 9R. So Oneplus 9R I'm getting up to 290. So I did see the highest of 290. As you can clearly see, friends, 290 it went, 296. So overall, in terms of the multi-touch, the clear winner is the Mi11X device in terms of the touch sampling rate, so which has scored about close to 460 Hz in this phone. So next is 290, which is a OnePlus 9R, and third position goes to the both phones, Realme X7 Pro and the iQOO 7 device. So as I said, maybe there must be a problem with my unit, I'm not sure, so make sure to comment below. Try this application in your smartphone, and definitely friends, I'll wait for your response. So next application is a touch sensor. Let me try to open that application which I'm trying to choose. This is another application which is really good in terms of detecting the touch, how much you are putting the pressure on the phone. So initially I'll try to put the very low pressure and medium and high pressure. So these are I'll be trying to do in each and every smartphone. So make sure to watch clearly, friends, which phone has a better touch sampling rate. We'll get to know in terms of detecting the touches. So I mean, let me try to show you an example. For example, when I try to keep my hand like this, as you can see, it detecting most of my touches. As you can see, friends, if the mobile phone is not that good at detecting the touch sampling rate, if it is having very 60 Hz, something like that, then definitely it will try to detect ... not like this. If the phone is detecting in this way, then definitely that's a really good phone in terms of the touch sampling rate. That is a clear example. So now let me try to do in this Realme X7 Pro first in terms of the low pressure I'm trying to put right now. Not much, low pressure, very low pressure, friends, I'm trying to put in the Realme X7 Pro. Next, in this Mi11X device, very low pressure, and I got straight line. So very low pressure I'm trying to put right now. And OnePlus 9R, as you can see, very low pressure. So in this test, you can clearly see, friends, even in the low pressure, the Mi11X detected really good straight line. You can see in terms of the touch sampling rate. Whereas these two phones, slightly you can see the circles, not the straight line. So this with the low pressure, I am saying. So next, let me try to do with the medium pressure. So just the medium pressure I'm trying to do. So with the medium pressure, as you can see, friends, so this is a test with the medium pressure. And let me try to put with the more high pressure right now from the Realme X7 Pro, putting more pressure. As you can see, friends, so I did keep high pressure right now, and in that high pressure you can clearly see, friends, the Mi11X, so which has got really good touch sampling rate, which is straight line you are getting, not circles. But whereas in the iQOO 7 device you are detecting some kind of small circles, as you can see, friends. And in the OnePlus 9R, it's definitely same like the Realme X7 Pro only. So that's not an issue, because 240 Hz definitely you can get this kind of circles, as you can clearly see the difference. So in this way, we'll be able to determine, friends, which phone has a better kind of touch sampling rate. But I'll try to do the one more testing, which is a PUBG touch sampling rate test as well. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. Maybe tomorrow I'll try to upload, keeping the two PUBG phones on, and I'll try to shoot at same time, and which phone will be able to shot the other person first. That is a clear winner. I'll try to do that testing tomorrow maybe. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. But overall, in this testing, I did find this Mi11X has got really good touch sampling rate overall. As you can see, friends, in the iQOO 7 device. So you are getting circles, not the straight line. You can clearly see. I'm trying to put more pressure. But still I'm getting only circles, not the straight line. In the OnePlus 9R as well, as you can see, friends, in the OnePlus 9R, still the same. And the Mi11X is really good in terms of the touch sampling rate. As you can clearly see, friends, the touch sampling rate, how good it is. There is no dots at all, there is no circles at all. So this is how it should be in that straight line. So in comparison with other smartphones, I did feel the Mi11X is slightly better if you compare with other smartphones in terms of the touch sampling rate based upon these two applications. So do let me in the comments below, friends, is there anything other test you want me to add in terms of the touch sampling rate? Definitely I'll do my best to add that kind of test in my video, because this is my first time doing this kind of touch sampling rate comparison. So make sure to correct me if I'm saying something wrong. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe in case if you like my content. As I said, stay tuned by subscribing, because soon I'll get my hands on with the Realme X7 Max, and I will be able to compare in-depth videos with all of the smartphones. Then you can decide, friends, whether to buy that X7 Max or not. My main focus will be on the green tint and 4G plus issue and all those PUBG lag and everything I'll try to check. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned, friends, for more videos. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.